Hello everyone. We are starting with Unit 2, that is combinational circuits. Herein we are going to study different types of gates and different circuits using gates. So what are logic gates? Logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. The relationship between input and output is based on certain logic. Based on this, the logic gates are named as AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, etc. Digital electronic circuits operate with voltages of two logic levels, namely logic low and logic high. The range of voltages corresponding to logic low is represented with 0 or 0 volt, and range of voltages corresponding to logic high is represented with 1 or plus 5 volt. What are these logic levels? You can have a positive logic level or a negative logic level. Now, in case of positive logic level, we have 0 meaning low, 1 is high. It is completely reversed for a negative logic. 1 is taken as a low, 0 is taken as a high. Okay, normally we follow positive logic. Now we'll see the three basic gates. First one is a AND gate. This is a circuit which performs a ending operation. So, this is a logic diagram having two inputs A and B. So this is a AND two input AND gate, one output Y. So what is Y? Y will be equal to A and B. It's a ending. It's a multiplication. So it is A into B or it is AB. This is a truth table. Two inputs, four combinations. Output is A into B. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. Next is OR gate. OR operation meaning it is doing the addition. So this is a logic diagram OR gate with two inputs A and B. Y is equal to A plus B. So you have Y is equal to A or B. So it's a ORing operation. So A plus B. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. Now don't get confused between this and binary addition rules. Binary addition rules 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Do not apply it here. This is a ORing operation. So 1 plus 1 is just 1. No carry and all. Next is a NOT gate. NOT gate is also called as a inverter. It has one input, one output. Now see the logic symbol. It's a triangle shape with a bubble. Now here A is the input. Output is, it is just going to invert it. So Y is equal to not A. Meaning it is A bar. On top of that there is a line. So it is A bar. So if A input is 0, it will give us 1. If A is 1, output will be 0. It is just inverting the bits. It's an inverter. Next is a combinational gates. Basic gates we have seen, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Now the combination of these gates will form the NAND gate, NOR gate. These are called as combinational gates. The first one is a NAND gate. NAND stands for what? It's a not AND. Meaning we are combining these two gates. Now NAND, so Y is equal to not AND B. Meaning NAND B. Now see the symbol here. It's basically a AND gate and there is a bubble attached to it. So you have two inputs A and B. So output will be what? A into B and bar of it. This is an inverter. That bubble is an inverter. So you take basically the truth table of a AND gate and just invert it. So AB. So it is A into B, the whole bar. This is a NAND gate. So 0 into 0 is actually 0, bar of it, that is inverter, invert the bit, so it is 1. This is also 0 into 1 is 0, inverted 1. So you are taking the bar of it. So finally the truth table is 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Next is a NOR gate. NOR is not OR. So you have OR gate here and there is a bubble attached to it. So what it is doing, it is A plus B the whole bar. Output is A plus B the whole bar. So 0 plus 0 is 0, the bar of it 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 bar. Okay, so you get 1 0 0 0. Next gate is XOR gate. Now XOR gate, it is a special gate which is used for half adder, full adder, subtractor and all. Now it is Y. Now if you can see here, it is exclusive OR. It is basically a OR gate, but it is exclusive OR, EX. So you draw OR gate and behind there is another curve line. What is Y? Y is equal to A XOR B. Now you can see the symbol here. It is a plus sign and a circle around it. So this is A XOR B. Now, how you write the truth table? The truth table states that 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So whenever the output is high, this gate output is high only when the inputs are different. If the inputs are same, the output becomes 0. I repeat, that is the output of this gate is 1 when both the inputs are different. If the inputs are same, then the output is 0. So the logical equation becomes, it is actually AB bar plus A bar B bar. Next is a XNOR gate.